So today I have installed OriginOS 4 based on Android 14 on my Redmi Note 10. As you can see, it is booting with the Vivo logo as it is an operating system made by Vivo. So let it boot and then we will set up the ROM and I will show you the features of it. As you can see, the ROM looks very awesome. This complete UI is made by Vivo and it looks very awesome. It is smooth as well. But as you can see, when I open an app, for example I am opening settings and closing the app, the animation seems very laggy. To fix this, you can search motion blur in settings and disable it. It basically is a feature that enables motion blur. It is basically not supported by our device. You can also choose app opening and closing animations as well in the settings. And now let me show you the app closing and opening animation. As you can see, it is very smooth now. You can also see the status bar or basically QS panel. It looks very awesome and it works fine. This ROM has very less bugs, for example only face unlock. Let me show you the about page of the ROM. As you can see, it is based on Android 14. Let me show you the Easter egg of the Android 14. This ROM is based on Chinese version of OriginOS, but it has Play Store pre-installed and you can enable Google Play services and then you can use Play Store as well. You can also watch my safety net video to pass safety net in this ROM and use banking apps. This ROM has privacy features as well, for example OriginOS privacy, where you can hide apps, lock apps or hide photos and videos as well. And the battery page has a monster mode that you can enable to get more performance out of the device. The storage and RAM management of this ROM is also fine. I have daily driven this ROM for a few days. Overall, the ROM is very stable and can be used on daily basis. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.